Hey tech people, today we're going to talk about a challenge that every hardware engineer has to face. Money. It shouldn't be a problem if you're working for a company or a startup with good amount of funding to fuel the project. But things get very difficult very soon when you're doing it as a hobby or doing something on your own with limited funding. Now, what if I told you there's a way to fund your projects and build a community around them at the same time? I have participated in numerous contests and lucky for me, even won a few. These contests are not just about winning cash prizes. They are also helpful in meeting like-minded people, building a community around your work, getting support for your project, and even finding help when you need it, both in terms of technology and finances. This video is part 1 in the series of videos that will walk you through the process of finding a contest, entering it, and giving you a behind-the-scene look at how to prepare for these contests, coming up with an idea, executing it, and successfully submitting your work for the contest. There are many websites that host contests, with Instructable and Hackster.io being two of the major platforms for makers. They offer a wide range of contests very regularly with substantial prize money. But remember, there are other options and websites out there with fewer participants and higher chances of winning. You just have to look for them. This series is going to revolve around this contest, the World Energy Challenge. Sorry for my Western audience, it's not something you guys can take part in. But feel free to apply the same process to any other contest and you should be good to go. Before even taking a look at the prize money, make sure the topic interests you. In this case, I'm really interested in renewable energy. I love to work with energy harvesting ICs, solar, and some low power electronics. So this contest is exactly what I'm looking for. But if the contest was about, say, textile machinery or building a simulation for microcontroller, I would be totally out. This point is really important to keep myself motivated throughout the contest period and to finish the project. Secondly, consider the prize money. I would say your skill level and the prize money should be proportional. If you are highly skilled and the prize money is very low for a non-interesting project, it might not be worth your time because you neither gain new skills nor financially worth your time and effort. But if you're just getting started out in hardware engineering and this is the first time in contest, I would definitely encourage you to register for every single contest that's available out there. It doesn't matter whether you win or not because the skill and the experience of taking part in a contest will really help you in a long run. Next, consider the contest dates. These contests usually run for a month and most of the time you can probably finish the project within the time frame. But sometimes life gets in the way. So it's crucial to check the timeline for the contest and try to complete it whenever you can. Especially I'm being unfair here, explaining about the contest that's going to end in a few days. Even though this particular contest had a 6-month timeline. I'll make sure to keep you guys updated next time. So make sure you're subscribed to our channel and also registered on PCBCupid. Now comes the financial part of the contest. Since these are hardware projects, you need at least some help in terms of finances or getting your hands on some hardware. So usually in this kind of contest, you have a sponsor who is willing to give you some coupons or hardware that you can use for your project. All you have to do is submit your project idea and they'll send you a coupon or the hardware. This can significantly reduce the cost of your project. Maybe this doesn't work with this particular contest, but this is something that happens very regularly on Hackster.io. Next, go through the contest submission rules. This contest requires us to buy 2 components from DigiKey to be eligible, but they will reimburse some of the cost once we submit the project. Once you have considered all the factors, it's time to register for the contest. Just click on the register, type your content and submit. It's that simple. Here's a little tip. Check out the judges of the contest. Sometimes doing a little research about them can give you an edge and slightly incline your projects towards that. But remember, this doesn't always work, so it's more important to stay true to your idea. In the next video, I'll show you the process of selecting my project and how I'm going to build it for the contest. So make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, make sure you drop them in PCBCupid Q&A section. Thanks for watching and as always, keep learning and keep creating.